Good morning. I would like to rent a bike for today.
Hello. We have many great bikes available right now.
Is it possible to rent one for only 2 hours?
Yes, of course. We have hourly and daily rates here.
How much does it cost for 1 hour of riding?
1 hour is $5. A full day is $20.
I think 2 hours is perfect for a small trip.
That will be $10 in total for your time.
Does the price include a lock for the bike?
Yes, every bike comes with a lock and a basket.
That is great. I have a small bag for my water.
You can put your bag in the front basket easily.
What kind of bikes do you have in the shop?
We have city bikes, mountain bikes, and electric bikes.
I prefer a simple city bike for the park paths.
City bikes are very comfortable and easy to ride.
I am not a very fast rider, so comfort is important.
I have a very nice blue bike for you over there.
It looks beautiful. Can I try the seat height?
Sure, come with me and we can adjust it together.
I am quite short, so the seat must be low.
I can change the height in just a few seconds.
Is it difficult to change the position?
No, it has a quick release lever right under the seat.
That is very convenient. Now it feels just right for me.
Perfect. Your feet should touch the ground easily.
Yes, I feel very safe on this blue bike now.
Do you want to check the tires and the brakes?
Yes, please. Safety is my #1 priority today.
I checked them this morning. Everything is in good condition. Here is a helmet for you. It is very light.
Do I have to wear a helmet in the park?
It is not a law, but I highly recommend it.
You are right. It is better to be safe than sorry.
Is this yellow helmet the right size for your head?
I think it is a bit too big for me.
Let me find a smaller one. Try this red helmet.
This one fits perfectly. The color is very bright, too.
Bright colors are good because people can see you easily.
I also need a small pump in case of emergency.
I can put a mini pump in your basket right now.
Thank you. I hope I don't need to use it.
Our tires are very strong, so you will be fine.
Do you have any lights for the bike for evening?
This bike has a front light that turns on automatically.
That is very smart technology for a simple city bike.
It works from the movement of the front wheel.
So I don't need any batteries for the light?
No batteries needed. It is very eco-friendly and simple.
I really like this rental shop already, Lucas.
We try to provide the best equipment for our guests. Do you have a bell on the handlebars too? Yes, listen to this loud sound.
That is very loud. Everyone will hear me coming.
Use it when you want to pass people on the path.
I will be very polite to all the pedestrians.
That is the best way to enjoy your ride today.
I am ready to take the bike out now.
One last thing, I need to explain the bike lock.
Yes, please show me how to use the key.
To use the lock, just put the cable around a pole.
And then I put the metal end into the lock?
Exactly. Turn the key and keep it in your pocket.
I must be careful not to lose the small key.
If you lose it, please call the shop immediately.
I will put it in my zipped pocket for safety.
Now, let's look at the park map over here.
Are there any areas where bikes are not allowed?
You cannot ride on the small grass paths near flowers.
I understand. I will stay on the main paved roads.
The circle around the lake is the most beautiful route.
How long is the path around the big lake?
It is about 4 kilometers long. It takes 20 minutes.
That sounds like a lovely ride for a sunny day.
There is a nice cafe on the north side of the lake.
Can I park my bike near the cafe entrance?
Yes, there are special metal racks for bicycles there.
I might stop there for a quick glass of lemonade.
That is a great plan. Their lemonade is very fresh.
Are there any steep hills in this city park?
There is one small hill near the old oak tree.
Is it difficult to go up that hill on this bike?
You can change the gears to make it much easier.
Can you show me how to change the gears, please?
Twist the right handle to choose a lower number.
Lower numbers are for going up the hills, right?
Yes, number 1 is very easy. Number 7 is fast.
I will use number 1 for the hill then.
You are a very fast learner, Emma. You are ready.
I am excited to start my little adventure now.
I need you to sign this simple rental agreement.
Does it say that I am responsible for the bike?
Yes, it also asks for your phone number and name.
My name is Emma, and here's my number.
Do I need to see your ID or your passport?
I have my driver's license. Is that okay for you?
A driver's license is perfect. I will take a quick photo.
Here you go. I always keep it in my wallet.
Thank you. I am finishing the registration in the system.
Do I pay now or when I come back?
We take the payment now for the first 2 hours.
And if I stay for 3 hours instead of 2?
Then you can pay for the extra hour later.
That is very fair. I will pay with my card.
Please tap your card on the machine on the desk.
Done. Did the payment go through?
Yes, it is successful. Here is your printed receipt.
Should I keep the receipt with me during the ride?
Yes, keep it. It has our phone number on it.
I hope I don't have any problems with the bike.
If you have a flat tire, just call us.
Will someone come to help me in the park?
Yes, our mechanic can reach any place in 10 minutes.
That is very good service. I feel very relaxed.
Our goal is to make your day very happy.
I am very happy with the blue bike and the service.
Here is your copy of the map to take with you.
Thank you. I will put it in my basket now.
Do you have enough water for your 2-hour trip?
Yes, I have a big bottle of cold water.
Let's double-check the bike one last time together.
The chain looks very clean and it has oil.
Yes, we oil the chains every single morning here.
The pedals are spinning very smoothly too.
Try to squeeze the brakes on the handlebars now.
They feel very strong and they react fast.
That is important because children often run in the park.
I will be very careful near the playground area.
The tires are full of air. They're quite hard.
That means the bike will move very easily on the road.
Exactly. You won't have to work too hard to move.
I want to enjoy the breeze and the scenery.
Is the basket attached tightly to the front?
Shaking the basket. Yes, it is very solid and stable.
You can put your hat in there if it gets windy.
My hat has a string, so it should stay on my head.
You look like a professional cyclist already, Emma.
I just need a little bit of practice.
The park is the best place for a relaxing practice.
What time is it now? I want to check my watch.
It is exactly 10 o'clock in the morning.
So I should be back here by 12 o'clock?
Yes, 12 o'clock is the end of your 2 hours.
I will set an alarm on my phone to be on time.
Don't worry if you are 5 minutes late.
You are very flexible. Thank you for that.
We want you to enjoy your ride, not look at the clock.
I am putting my helmet on now. Is it straight?
Yes, it looks perfect. Tighten the strap under your chin.
Okay, it is tight now. I am ready to go.
Push the bike out of the shop to the path.
The bike feels much lighter than I thought.
It is made of aluminum, so it is very light.
That is great for me because I am not very strong.
Now, put one foot on the pedal and push off.
Oh, it moves so smoothly.
Keep your eyes on the path ahead of you.
The wind feels wonderful on my face today.
Turn right at the big fountain to reach the lake.
I see the fountain. It is very tall and beautiful.
Have a wonderful time in the park, Emma.
Thank you, Lucas. See you in 2 hours.
Enjoy the lemonade at the cafe.
I will. I am going towards the lake now.
She is a very nice and polite student.
This is the best way to spend a Saturday.
I should prepare the next bike for the next customer.
The flowers in the park smell so sweet.
The weather today is perfect for our business.
I can see some ducks on the water over there.
I hope she likes the route I suggested.
I will take a photo of the lake for my family.
The shop is getting busy.
I am using gear number 4 on the flat road.
More tourists are coming from the bus station.
I am ringing my bell to say hello to a dog.
Another happy day at the bike rental shop.
I am so glad I met such a helpful teacher like Emma.
Wait, I'm the teacher of bikes today.
See you soon, City Park.